Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn new chapter, and the chapter name is Device and Software. In previous chapter 1, we have learned what we have learned so far. We have learned various type of evolution in computer, okay, and the generation of computer. How many types of generation in computer? Mainly 5 types: first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, and fifth generation. In first generation computer, what is the main component in first generation computer? That is, in first generation computer is made up of from vacuum tube and magnetic drum. In second types of generation, we generally use transistor. In third type of generation, we use IC, and then fourth types of generation, we use VLSI and microprocessor, and fifth types of generation, we use artificial intelligence and ULSI. Okay, now we are going to read some parts of computer in this chapter, that is called devices and its software. Now we are going to know what types of devices are in computer and what types of software are present in our computer system. So let's start. The first types of device in computer is called input device. As the name suggests, input, it means we provide certain kind of information to the computer with the help of this device. Input device means the following kind of device with the help of which any user can give information to a computer, so that computer understand that we require certain set of instruction to be processed according to our needs. And the types of those input device are: example, keyboard generally we use to input character, okay. Mouse is used as a pointing device, okay. So these are the example of input device. Now let's read the device which are used to give data instruction to the computer are called input device. Okay, various types of input device can be used with the computer depending upon the types of data you want to enter in the computer. Example, keyboard, mouse, joystick, slide pen, etc. Now we are going to read one by one what are the types of input device and what its function. Okay, so let's start. The first types of input device is keyboard. It is the most common used input device because it's play a very important role to provide or to input any important information inside a computer. It is used to enter data instruction directly to the computer. There are 104 buttons on a standard keyboard. How many buttons are present in a standard keyboard? 104. And these buttons are called key. And what we call such buttons? We call key. Okay, in keyboard, such button we call key. Types of key. Now we are going to learn how many types of key are present in this keyboard. A keyboard has the following 4 types of key. The first one is called alphabet. The second type of is called number key. Third one is called special key, and the fourth one is called function key. As you look carefully in any keyboard, if you have in your home or in your computer, or in your school or anywhere, if you found a keyboard, you look carefully. There are mainly 4 types of key present in a keyboard. First one is called alphabet key. As the name suggests, alphabet means English letter from A to Z. Following sets of letters are present in your keyboard. Okay, you can see in the image. This is your alphabet key, and the key represent in the format of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to Z letter. Okay. And then second types of keys present in keyboard is number key. As you can see, number key is represented from the digit 0 to 9. Okay, you can see in the right side of it, it is present number key. Also there is a horizontal types of key present in your upper part of the keyboard, which is look like this. As you can see in this number key, there is a special character symbol is also present. Okay, so this special symbol is used with the help of keyboard by using shortcut. That is, we press shift button and the following key, then we can easily access the following type of special key in keyboard. Okay, now we are know 3 types of keyboard, that is your alphabet key, number key, special key. Now we know some special key types. Okay, special keys are uh, the key that have some special effect like enter key, caps lock key. Caps lock key generally makes any character into caps lock. Shift key, arrow key to point any direction, alt key, delete key, insert key, these are called special key, which is also present in your keyboard. Okay, and keyboard is what type of device? Keyboard is your input device. So this type sets of the key, sets of the key are present in your keyboard. The next one is function key. As the name suggests, it's provide various types of function when we press in your keyboard. And the function key is generally marked with F1 to F12. You can look in the picture. These types of representation you may see in any keyboard, and this is called function key. Okay. Now we are moving on next types of input device, that is called mouse. A mouse is a pointing device and which has a 2 or 3 button. It is used to point or to select any program on a computer. Why we use mouse? Because mouse is act as a pointer, and we can select any program or text, or we can open any program with the help of mouse. So mouse is a very important input device in a computer system. And the image of the mouse you can see easily here. You can see this. See, there are various types of mouse present in this picture. The first one is 2 button mouse, that it has 2 parts, uh, and the second one has 3 button mouse, and the fourth one is optical scroll mouse. Okay. The mouse used in window and window based program where user can run the command by pointing the object with the help of pointer and clicking the button on the mouse. We also use mouse for drawing in paint and kid pics. Okay, mouse also be used for drawing, generally in different types of application software such as MS PowerPoint or MS Paint. We can draw any picture with the help of mouse. Okay, the mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it and can be clicked or double clicked to perform various function. How many buttons generally present in mouse? Two types of key present in your mouse, that is we call a left button and right button key. Left button key is generally we use to select any key or to open any program, whereas right button mouse key generally we use to perform various function to it. Okay. Now we are moving on next types of input device, that is called joystick. Joystick is also an input device which is used to move the cursor quickly to any part of the screen. Generally, joysticks we use generally to play and video games in which we generally enjoy it very well. Okay, so it's just like a mouse, and it also has a similar function just to be performed by the mouse. Okay. Next, joystick has a vertical stick and a trackball at the bottom. While playing the games on the computer, the user need to move the object quickly on the screen with the movement of the vertical sticks. The object can be moved in all directions very easily. Okay, so joysticks has similar function, but mainly we use joysticks in a popular application-based type program. For example, for gaming purpose, because it has more function and utility than mouse. Okay. So next input device we are going to move, that is called light pen. Light pen is also a pointing device. It is a pen shaped device. As you look in the picture, this is called light pen and it's look like a pen, but it acts as a pointing device. It is the pen shaped device which is can use for direct pointing an object on the screen. It also be used for making drawing directly on screen. With the help of this light pen, we can draw screen directly on pen. Sorry, on a computer screen. Okay. And the next type of input device is called scanner. As we all know, why we use scanner to scan any document into electronic. No, sorry, to convert any text file or image file into electronic form, we use scanner. Okay, a scanner generally read any text or picture on a paper and convert the information in the form so that computer can easily understand it. Okay, the most commonly used type of scanner is flatbed scanner. Well, scanner is also two types. Okay, we are going to learn types of scanner in your next classes. In this class, just know what a scanner do. Generally, scanner convert any image or text file into digital format so that computer can understand. Okay, the next type of input device is touch screen. Touch screen is a special computer screen that takes the input by sensing the touch of a human finger. Okay, uh, in today's smartphone you can easily see in smartphone whenever you touch with the help of finger to any application in smartphone, the following application open. Okay, it means the touch screen has it means your mobile has a which type of screen? Touch screen, that it acts when you touch it. Okay, so its touch screen is also types of input device. It means it gives the instruction in which part you touch. Okay, the user can give instruction to the computer just by touching the screen. Okay, next types of input device is microphone. As you know, microphone is generally we use to record our voice, so that it so that computer system understand, and how computer understand by converting into digital format or analog format. Okay, you can give the information as input device to the computer by speaking in the front of the device. Next type of input device is trackball. And what is trackball? Trackball is similar to mouse but is mounted in a fixed position. The user spin the ball with fingers to move the pointer on the screen. A trackball is normally used in laptop computer. Generally, trackball is used in laptop computer, and it's look like this, as you can see in the image, and it has similar function to mouse. That means we have to select or move a mouse pointer to any direction inside the screen. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. So in this chapter, what we have learned so far, we have known that computer has various types of input device. First types of input device we have learned keyboard and its parts. Okay, second types we learned mouse. Okay, third types we have learned that light pen. Okay, then we have learned that scanner, what is scanner do. Trackball we have learned. Okay, microphone, touch screen, that's are all example of input device. So that's it, student. Now in the next topic, next video session, we are going to learn components inside the system unit. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.